In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple, fast, and focused interface in Interface Designer. We'll walk through a practical setup that keeps things clean, clear, and truly useful for everyday work. Start by planning before you build. Think about who will use this interface, what they need to see at a glance, and which actions they should be able to take without hunting around. Trim aggressively. Only include the information that supports those needs. Clutter slows people down and makes important signals easy to miss. Next, open your base, click Interfaces, select. Create an interface and choose Start from Scratch. Beginning with a blank canvas helps you stay intentional and avoid unnecessary elements from templates. Use a clear layout from top to bottom. Place the most important numbers at the top, your key performance indicators that tell users how things are going right now. In the middle, add charts or summaries that give quick context. At the bottom, show detailed records so people can drill into the data when they need to. Keep spacing generous and labels consistent so the eye naturally flows through the page. Add filters so users see only what's relevant. Common high-impact filters include by status, by date, by team member, and by client. Presetting sensible defaults can make the interface feel fast and dependable. Filters also help pages load quickly by reducing the amount of data on screen. Limit what users can see to what they actually need. Use permissions so some viewers are set to view only if that fits their role. Show only required fields and hide unnecessary columns. Less data means better performance and fewer mistakes, and it reduces cognitive load for everyone. Use charts wisely and only when they help decisions. Bar charts are great for comparisons, line charts highlight trends over time, and pie charts work for simple breakdowns. Avoid piling on too many charts in one place. A few clear visuals beat a crowded wall every time. Create separate pages for distinct tasks instead of cramming everything into one screen. A focused dashboard for highlights, a records page for working lists, a reports page for periodic summaries, and a settings page for controls can dramatically improve speed and clarity. Before you share, test the interface. Click through each page, try the filters, confirm that data displays correctly, and remove anything unnecessary. A quick polish here saves confusion later. An efficient interface is simple, fast, focused, and easy to navigate. Build with intention, and your users will feel the difference immediately.